Okay, today we will review this website, t-shirtelement.com. I found here this website. This is the website. So let me refresh the page. Now this is a nice website, and this is the drop-down menu for the main part. But I can show you here. You one thing then. You see, I am hovering this main siting, but the drop-down menu is not showing. So there is something JavaScript problem here. You see, the menu is disappearing. But let's see how I need to disappear. Here, now it is disappearing. You see disappearing menu. So this is a problem. This is a nice website, but it has few JavaScript problem. You see, I'm hovering the menu, but the drop-down menu is gone and not showing. Okay, this is heading text button, large button. Okay, but I think this website uses very small font, so they need to increase the font size comparing to this font, heading and button font. This font is looking so small. Nice hover effect and shadow. Also it has nice text shadow and zoom in effect. Nice, very nice, but very small text to read in desktop device. Okay, so these are nice FAQ section, looking great. Okay, the social menu don't have any hover effect, and also footer menu maybe changing its color. Okay, they can keep a back to top button here, so when the button will be clicked, then the page will go to top without scrolling one by one. Let's see how this page is looking in mobile device. So we will reduce the screen, and I'm saying here is 10 errors. Okay, then we will select a mobile device. Let's see Galaxy now. Then refresh the page again. Let's see what I am seeing here. Let me reduce the size. So this is the mobile menu. This is the menus are okay. Mobile device. Oh, this top part is fixed in mobile device, but it is taking a lot of space in mobile device. So they can reduce this space. What I'm seeing here is another issue is that this user icon and the card button is not alien in center properly. The card button looking is staying in top, and this is staying in middle compared to the logo of this website. Okay. So how they can reduce the spaces of this header? They can keep the search button in here, somewhere in here, and then when someone will click the search button, then only appear this search field. So they can reduce this. Also, they can reduce the search field padding to suit it perfectly. How? Let's reduce the padding. Let's say 4 pixel. Yes. So this will give little bit space and everything will look fine. Okay, then we can reduce this space also. So we just need to reduce something in mobile devices, as mobile devices do not have large screen as like desktop. So we can do something pending bottom. We can make it 0. Okay, then we can reduce these text sizes or logo sizes. You can see in mobile devices. So they can reduce this image size little bit in mobile devices, like 35 pixel height and 35 pixel height, and then they can reduce the border radius or this padding little bit. Let's see padding is same. They can reduce the border to 1 pixel. Then and now it is just compressed from here to here little bit. They can keep this search icon here. It will be a search icon, and when someone click on search icon, then only this field will appear. Smooth scrolling, with smoothly this search field will appear instead of taking this search field out and visible. Okay, so we can decrease the size only when we will scroll to bottom. These text are looking nice, heading text, and this bottom text is also so big comparing to the other fonts of this website. If you see, these fonts are so small. So I think increasing this font size, this website will make nicer, more nicer. There is a lot of space in this area comparing to this space. This space is looking so large. Okay, then this text is still small. Okay, in mobile devices, this type of small text is not matter, but in desktop device or computer, they must increase the font size. Here is a lot of space also. They can reduce this type of large space for mobile device, especially. Let's see, this space is enough for defining this section and this section. Okay, then this is looking nice. This font is small and not much more readable. Then these are the menus. Okay, nice. Okay, all things is okay till now. So maybe they can fix this glitch issue. This is not looking. Maybe it has JavaScript problem or CSS problem. Okay, so if we review the other pages, we may find some few things to fix in this website. Thank you.